Hello friends, I'm Prajan and welcome back to my YouTube channel MISSIONTOP Computer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boot desktop computer with Windows 10. Now let's start the video. Now I press the power button for start my CPU and press delete key for open boot menu. Okay, you can see here this is the boot menu. Now I'm going to select advanced BIOS features options and press enter, and I'm going to choose hard disk drive options and press enter. Now I'm going to change order USB drive to first drive options and press F10 for save change settings. Now you can see here my bootable USB drive has been successfully loading for installing Windows in my desktop computer, and it's take to some time for open Windows setup screen. Okay, you can see here this is the Windows setup screen. Now I'm going to change keyboard input language to United States International and press enter and press enter again. Now you can see here our Windows setup is starting. Now I'm going to choose I don't have a product key options and press enter, and here I'm going to choose Windows 10 Home and press enter, and here now I'm going to take I accept the terms, license terms, and I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to choose custom install, and here now I'm going to delete partition 1 first, and now I'm going to delete partition 2 also. Here you can see now I'm going to delete these partitions now, and now I'm going to create a new partitions, and now I'm going to choose partition 2 and I'm going to format these partitions. And after successfully complete formatting process, now I'm going to install Windows in this partition 2. And now you can see here our Windows setup file is starting copy from USB bootable drive to our internal hard disk drive. Now Windows setup file is successfully copied in hard disk drive, and it's need to restart. And now press delete key for open boot menu. Now I'm going to change hard disk drive priority. In first drive I'm going to set hard disk drive and USB bootable drive in second drive, and I have pressed the F10 button for save settings. Now start loading Windows from our internal hard disk drive. I am choosing express settings here. We need to input username here. So now I'm going to input username for my desktop PC and press enter.
त्यति होइन अहिले त त्यहाँ राखिनु छ नि अलिक उता खोल्चामा त्यो अगाडि त्यहाँ कस्तो बनाइहालेछ नि टिभी त तपाईँको फोनहरू त यही हो नि अन्त यो खिचिदिइहाल्यो कहिले टक्स गरेर टक्स गरे जस्तो पो हुन्छ त त्यही टक्सले झाडी लाउने बेला भएछ यो झाडी लाउने जान्ने लगाएको थियो नजान्ने लगाएको
Okay, you can see here our Windows installing process has been successfully complete, and here you can see this is the screen of Windows 10. I have successfully installed Windows 10 in my desktop PC using USB bootable drive, and now I'm going to show you my desktop properties here. Okay, you can see here this is the Windows 10 home version. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understand this video. If you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.